Welcome to Quick Pick. Top 6 Best Cordless Vacuum Cleaner 2023. Top 1. INSE Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, 10-in-1 23 kPa 265W Powerful Stick Vacuum, Rechargeable Cordless Vacuum, up to 45 minutes runtime, Lightweight Vacuum Cleaner for Carpet Hard Floor Pet Hair, S6T Purple. Powerful Suction and Ultra Quiet, INSE S6T Cordless Vacuum Cleaner features 265W Advanced Brushless Digital Motor with over 120,000 RPMs, brings 138W suction power, 5x of ordinary brushed vacuum cleaner, so it can instantly capture dust, crumbs and pet hair, from carpet, hardwood floor, tile. Compared with ordinary brushed motors, our brushless stick vacuum produces less noise, 65 dB, and heat, energy saving and longer service life, less disruption to your families and pets. 10-inch-1 Cordless Vacuum, INSE Cordless Stick Vacuum equipped with flexible hose, electric mini bed brush, long crevice, 2-inch-1 brush, retractable metal tube, motorized brush, can be assembled into 10 combinations. Whether it's hardwood floors, low-pile carpet, tile, or sofa, beds, curtains and car, for all your cleaning needs. Buy one INSE S6T vacuum, we'll get 10 different household vacuum cleaners. This vacuum cleaner carpet and floor is a great gift for your family or friends. High-efficiency filtration system, this vacuum cleaner pet hair equipped with the latest 5 stages of complete sealing filtration system, can capture up to 99.99% of tiny dust particles as small as 0.1 micron, like dust, pet dander, hair, etc., releasing air cleaner than the air you breathe, avoid secondary pollution. Top 2. Tineco Pure 1S11 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, Smart Stick Handheld Vacuum Strong Suction and Lightweight, Cordless Handheld, Vacuum Deep Clean Hair, Hard Floor, Carpet, Car, Pure 1S11 Gray. Featuring iLoop Smart Sensor Technology, Pure 1S11 detects hidden dust and debris and auto-adjusts suction power in real time, for up to 2x longer runtime and complete cleaning contents. High performance, ultra-quiet digital motor delivers 130W of strong suction. Clean quietly with less disturbance to family and pets. Up to 40 minutes runtime, Pure 1S11 is perfect for uninterrupted whole house cleaning. Cordless and lightweight, Pure 1S11 easily converts to a handheld vacuum with versatile attachments to clean stairs, cars, furniture and more. Onboard color LED display and connected Tineco app monitor cleaning progress, battery levels, and suction performance for an intelligent cleaning experience. Top 3. Dyson V11 Torque Drive Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, Blue. Dyson's most intelligent, powerful cordless vacuum. Twice the suction of any cordless vacuum. Dyson technology helps create a cleaner, healthier home. Our vacuums and purifiers are scientifically proven to capture particles as small as allergens and bacteria. Engineered for whole home, deep cleaning. Suction power, runtime and tools designed to deep clean your whole home. Intelligently optimizes suction and runtime across all floor types. The right balance of power and runtime when you need it. Up to 60 minutes of runtime. Engineered for larger homes with pets. Actual runtime will vary based on power mode, floor type and/or attachments used. High torque cleaner head. Automatically adapt suction and power to deep clean different floor types without changing cleaner heads. Advanced whole machine filtration. Advanced whole machine filtration traps 99.99% of particles, dust and allergens as small as 0.3 microns. Top 4. INSE Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, 25 kPa 300W Brushless Stick Vacuum with 2 batteries, up to 90 minutes runtime, 10-inch-1 Powerful, Rechargeable Lightweight Cordless Vacuum for Carpet Hard Floor Pet Hair, S6P Pro. 2 detachable batteries and UPTO 90 minutes runtime. The rechargeable vacuum cordless features a 2500 mAh larger capacity battery, 8 cells. This pet vacuum offers longer working time than other cordless vacuum cleaner. Up to 90 minutes in total at standard mode, ensures thorough deep cleaning all around the house. 25 kPa powerful suction and 300 W brushless motor. The stick vacuum is equipped with 2022 upgraded digital motors, 138 W suction power, and 25 kPa suction force with 2 modes, up to 90 minutes on standard mode, 40 minutes on max mode. This vacuum, cordless, perfectly performs on hardwood floors, carpets, stairs, curtains, cars, furniture, etc. 65 decibels low noise, peacefully cleaning with less disturbance to your family. Top 5. Fawik Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, 6-in-1 lightweight stick vacuum cleaner with 3 power modes, LED display, powerful stick, vacuum up to 45 minutes runtime, vacuum cleaner for hardwood floor, pet hair, home, car. 3 strong suction modes and LED display. Fawik household vacuum cleaners offers 3 powerful suction modes, min, mid and max mode. From deep cleaning carpet dust, cat litter, dog food crumbs, pet hair, and so on your marble, tile, and hardwood floor. You can get the current performance at a glance with the large LED display, including battery life, cleaning mode, and floor brush jam alert. 5-layer high-efficiency filtration system, Fawik cordless vacuum cleaner with all-new cyclone technology and high-density meshing. Captures the smallest particles on flat surfaces, with up to 99.99% efficiency of fine particles as small as 0.1 A double HEPA filter plus a sealed system keeps dust and allergens inside the vacuum cleaner and expels cleaner air to your home, a healthier and better clean. Top 6. Shark Eye Z862H Stratos, cordless vacuum with CleanSense IQ and odor neutralizer, Duo Clean Power Fins Hair Pro, includes duster, crevice tool and anti-allergen brush, up to 60-minute runtime, ash purple. CleanSense IQ, infrared sensor detects the dirt you can't see and automatically increases power, giving you up to 50% better dirt pickup. The CleanSense IQ indicator visually shows when floors are clean. Versa Shark Stratos cordless in ECO mode. Most suction of any Shark cordless stick vacuum, Hypervelocity Plus delivers the most suction. Based on ASTM F558, measured at the hand vacuum, tested in boost mode. Duo Clean Power Fins Hair Pro, 2-brush roll system digs deep into carpets, engages hard floors, and picks up dirt, debris, and hair in every pass. No cordless vacuum picks up hair better. From floor to dust cup, third-party tested on human pet hair, self-cleaning brush roll, powerful pet hair pickup and no more hair run. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe our channel.